This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making wonton in chili oil. Let's start by soaking some black fungus. This takes about 30 minutes to soak. Next, the chili oil. You can use store-bought chili oil like Lao Kan Ma, or even better, make your own chili oil. It's really easy. I'm going to show you a basic chili oil recipe here, but for a more flavorful version, check out my chili oil recipe in the link in the description below. Right, for the chili oil, get yourself a large heat-proof bowl, as large as possible, as the oil may bubble up and over your bowl. In this bowl, grate in 3 cloves of garlic, about 1 tablespoon of ginger, finally chop up the white part of 1 stalk of green onions. Keep the green parts for the wonton filling. 3 to 4 tablespoons of chili flakes, half a teaspoon of sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now heat up 150 ml of cooking oil till it's smoking hot. You can use any type of flavorless oil, like canola oil or vegetable oil. When it's smoking hot, pour it over the chili flakes mixture. Be careful as it may boil over. Stir as you pour, otherwise you'll burn the spices on top. This is your basic chili oil recipe. Now, set this aside. For the pork filling, I have here 500 grams of ground pork. Grate in 2 cloves of garlic. One teaspoon of ginger. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. One tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. 2 tablespoons of water. Also add in 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, a few dashes of pepper, half a teaspoon of sugar, and the green part of the stalk of the green onions from the chili oil that we used earlier on. Mix this really well to combine. For the wontons, use the square wonton wrappers. Put a little filling in the center. Wet the sides. And fold it across to make a rectangular shape, squeezing out the air at the same time. Then, make a dent on the side of the filling. Moist a corner and fold the corners together. Fill, wet, fold into a rectangle, make a dent, wet the corner, and fold the corners together. This makes quite a lot of wontons. You can freeze them individually on a tray, and when frozen, put them in a bag. To cook the wontons, boil a pot of water and put in the wontons. If you are cooking frozen wontons, there's no need to defrost them. Just put them in room temperature water and bring the water to a boil. After boiling for 2 to 3 minutes, when the wontons are floating to the top, give it another 30 seconds and the wontons are cooked. Remove them, drain, and put them on a serving plate. For the sauce, combine 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of black vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir this well till the sugar dissolves. You can play around with this ratio of soy sauce and vinegar till you get something that you like. Just before serving, pour the sauce over your wontons. Top it with 3 tablespoons of chili oil, or however much or little you prefer. Next, top it with the black fungus. Cut away the hard parts of the black fungus and cut it into strips. I like the addition of black fungus here because it gives the dish a little crunch and a different texture and mouthfeel. Add in some spring onions and chopped up coriander. I forgot about the coriander here, but you should add it in. This is wonton in chili oil.